finished look of this unit. So I can literally say I had this unit for about a week. I actually installed this unit last week, and I even posted Instagram pictures. I was doing a whole bunch of Instagram stuff, and you guys absolutely love it. So I insert the picture right here for you guys. It's probably part of the thumbnail anyways. So you guys know I like to do longevity hair reviews, especially for companies like this one. I've worked with UNICE Hair Company so many times before, and I like to actually wear the hair a little bit longer to kind of feel it through. So this unit, guys, all in all, I think it's a really nice unit. It's a lightweight unit. You guys know, for me, sometimes I like it about 150 to 180, 200% density max. I'm more comfortable in the 180 range. So this density isn't that big. However, the hair has a really nice bounce to it and luster. This is a body wave texture unit, guys. So I did wash it. I actually did go ahead and bleach the knots, and I also did go ahead and tweeze the hairline. So I did a little bit of work to this one, but it came out really nice. This is not a shake and go type of company, guys. So when you get your units from this company, you are gonna have to put like a little bit of work in it. The unit did actually come really nice, but if you want to go ahead and just do something extra by you know, bleaching it a little bit, tweezing it a little bit, you can go ahead and do that. You guys know I always do my units custom on here because I like to show you guys how I would really rock it. You guys will be like, oh, it's not gonna look like I want to get it. It's not. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's about 24 inches long, and like I said, it was a body wave texture. So all I did was co-wash it. When I washed it, I did notice it had like a little bit of a wave pattern, but for me, I think body wave is just a steam press powder, a steam press process, or why did I say powder? That was so weird. It's a steam press process, so therefore I don't really think it's like a real kind of like wave pattern. As far as the baby hairs and everything, I kept it pretty simple, guys. I just did the baby hairs around the perimeter, sideburns, and all that kind of stuff. The lace on this one is actually really nice. When I actually went along and bleached it, I realized that, whoa, it really matched my hairline really well. As far as curling it, guys, the hair does hold a pretty good curl, but I do wish it was like, it held like a better curl. Y'all know what I mean. I did go ahead and cut little light layers into this one. In the front right here, you'll see kind of like a layer start off right here, just so that when I curled it, I can get like that good kind of like pull back right here. I also did do layers in the front as well too, guys. So if you guys want to go ahead and make this kind of like one of those sweet bang style units, you can, depending on how you rock it, depending on how I rock it, because sometimes I'll pull the unit like this, but it does do a nice curl, a nice little bang pull up. So that's one thing I really like about this hair company, is that when you're going to style the units from this company, you're going to style it the way you want it, and it's going to come out the right way. So all in all, guys, I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. All in all, I think that this unit came out nice. I don't really have any complaints about this company. Literally all the units that I get sent from this company, they're not going to come to you done up like this. Obviously, you're going to put a little bit of work into it, but the work that I had to do was very minimum just because it came really nice. So that's one thing to keep in mind, guys. I will leave all the links down below for this unit, guys. I really think it's nice. And as far as the eyelashes that I have on, the eyelashes are actually UNICE Hair Company's own eyelashes. So they actually have their own eyelashes available. So I thought that was dope. They actually sent it to me in the pack, and I'm not even going to lie to you guys. They need to go ahead and sell these lashes on their website because these lashes are dope AF. So I'll leave all the links down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from UNICE Hair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.